The Bible is a book that has been revered and cherished by millions of people around the world for centuries. Its teachings have served as a moral compass and a source of guidance for countless individuals. However, there are also aspects of the Bible that can be uncomfortable to confront. It is important for us to challenge our perspectives on the Bible, to delve deeper into its teachings, and discover the profound inspiration it can offer. In this article, we will explore 2 verses that may initially make us uncomfortable, but ultimately hold a transformative power within them. The uncomfortable truth, challenging our perspectives on the Bible. The Bible, like any other ancient text, is not without its controversies and uncomfortable passages. It is essential for us to approach the Bible with an open mind and a critical lens, questioning and reflecting upon its teachings. This may be uncomfortable, as it requires us to confront our preconceived notions and biases. However, by challenging our perspectives, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of the text and its message. Instead of dismissing or avoiding difficult passages, we should embrace them as opportunities for growth and intellectual exploration. Discovering inspiration, Proverbs 30 verses 5-6 and its profound wisdom. Proverbs 30 verses 5-6 states, "Every word of God is flawless, he is a shield to those who take refuge in him. Do not add to his words, or he will rebuke you and prove you a liar." These verses may be uncomfortable for those who question the infallibility of the Bible, as they present God's words as absolute and unalterable. However, if we look beyond the surface, we can find profound wisdom in these words. They remind us of the importance of seeking refuge in God and trusting in His guidance. The verse also warns against adding or subtracting from God's words, emphasizing the need to approach the Bible with reverence and integrity. Embracing freedom, finding truth and liberation in John 8 verses 31-32. John 8 verses 31-32 declares, "If you hold to my teaching, you are really my disciples. Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." These verses may initially make us uncomfortable, as they imply that true freedom and liberation can only be found through a specific set of teachings. However, if we reflect on the deeper meaning, we realize that these teachings are not meant to confine us, but rather to guide us towards a life of truth and authenticity. The truth referred to here is not a rigid set of rules, but a spiritual awakening that leads to inner freedom. By embracing these teachings, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth, breaking free from the shackles of ignorance and delusion. In order to find inspiration in the Bible, we must be willing to confront its uncomfortable truths. By challenging our perspectives, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of the text and its profound wisdom. Proverbs 30 verses 5-6 reminds us to approach the Bible with reverence and integrity, while John 8 verses 31-32 encourages us to embrace the teachings that lead us towards truth and liberation. Ultimately, by delving into the uncomfortable truths of the Bible, we can find inspiration and guidance that can transform our lives for the better.